Hi, I'm Martin from COMPREDICT, and I'm pleased to present you what we are doing with virtual sensor on our demonstration car, the COMPREDICTOR. So here we are working actually to make touchable, to make it really pragmatic and seeable what we are doing with virtual sensor with software. So basically the idea is to use information coming from the vehicle, typically speeds, acceleration, stuff that are measured on any canvas since years in the automotive industry, and to extend them to make any series production vehicle as smart as a prototype. And this is exactly what we did here. So first, our journey starts with a calibration. So we need some good reference data with additional hardware on a development car to get the ground truth, what should be measured. And this is where we use also the Dewesoft product and Obsidian here to really measure different quantities like temperature, forces, torques, CAN bus, strain gauges. So really we use the full modularity of the setup there, and we use the car as a, I would say, classical testing engineering engineer use case. We just measure all the information there. Then once we have all this information, we can calibrate our virtual sensor. So you can imagine we predict tire wear, brake wear, tire temperature, brake temperature, suspension displacement, forces in the free direction at each wheel, so the holy grail for engineering, I will say, and this with only information that are available in any series production vehicle. So once we have this information, once we calibrate it for this car, we can really deploy at scale. And then imagine having all this information from all your fleets, gathering or feeding back your engineering department. This is really a massive amount and massive advantage. And then we have this dual purpose of this car, because once it was really a development vehicle, it becomes a sales asset. Here we are using Obsidian, for example, to forward all the information gathered by the hardware sensor to our Android Automotive OS prototype application, where you can compare the accuracy of a virtual sensor and the hardware sensor to really feel this accuracy, to really see it. Then this is really the purpose of it, and if you are interested in it, please just write on our website or swing by our presentation on Thursday if you are here in Slovenia.
That sounds great. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.